If I want that soft salon style blowout look at home, I reach for the Wavy Talk thermal round brush. The first thing I do is work in small sections. It gives me much more control and helps create a smooth, polished finish. I always start right at the roots, creating a little tension so the bristles can really glide through my hair. Once I've brushed through the section, I start rotating the brush as I work my way down, wrapping the ends around the barrel until they reach the handle. I'm styling everything towards my face today because I love the soft, voluminous finish it creates. When I get to my fringe, I split it in two sections because it's very thick. I always style inwards first to create lift at the roots, and then I style the same section outwards to give it that soft flick. I leave that in a roller to cool while I finger comb through the rest of my hair, and then I finish with a few drops of my favourite Kerastase hair oil for extra shine. Finally, I take the roller out, style my fringe, and this is a finished look. Soft, glossy, full of body, and exactly the finish I was after. I leave the product linked below.